Here we come to another elevator at Rockland Office Plaza, and this one looks like an armor. Oh wow, look at that. The button's still lit. This one has the same cab, although it's a bit bigger though. This one's got a thing. Oh look, this one's got a Dover floor counter. Oh, this is an armor! Armor! Oh wow, and it's original too. Look at this. Let's go to ground. G is burnt out. There's your phone. Look at it. It's in some sort of a box you have to reach your hand through. That's weird. The button stays lit. All right, you know what? Let's set my gloves on the ground there so I don't have to hold them. Let's get a cab view before we go anywhere. It's a bit bigger. This one's a bit nicer than the Dover too. More well kept. Armor. Certificate of inspection. Alarm. Yeah. No, my big motor. Dadgun it. Here we are at 3. Let's bring it for down. And, oh wait, yeah, I forgot, no lantern. Whoops. Sure, stop switch, alarm, door open, no door, more door. Oh shit, we are going somewhere. Let's hit G though. Wonder where we are gonna stop. We are going to ground. Let's pick my gloves up. Interesting how the phone's in like a cabinet. It's taking a while to level. It's weird. Nobody called it. Huh. Alright then. That's it, I suppose.